The New Year season is the best time to give drivers something they'll actually use, not another dust collector for the glove box. Winter roads, daily commutes, roadside situations, all of it becomes easier with the right gear. So instead of random souvenirs, we selected 5 gifts that bring real value: practical gadgets, reliable tools, and upgrades that make any car safer, warmer, or more comfortable. Straight to the point, here comes our top 5 New Year gifts for car owners. If you want a gift that actually saves someone on the road, this compact Baseus inflator is one of the smartest picks for winter. Despite its size, the motor pushes 100 watts and can bring a completely flat tire back to 36 psi in roughly 4 minutes, while quick top-ups, like raising a standard 175/65 R14 tire from 29 to 33 psi, take about 40 seconds. For drivers who face cold mornings, pressure drops, or long trips, that speed matters. The 7,500 mAh battery is another real advantage. It handles up to 6 full inflations per charge and shuts off automatically at the target PSI, so there's no risk of overfilling in the dark or during stress. Baseus also added preset modes for cars, bikes, motorcycles, balls, plus a manual 3 to 150 psi mode that lets you handle anything from inflatable tents to emergency gear. The built-in LED with flashlight, SOS, and strobe turns it into a proper roadside tool, not just a gadget. And because the whole unit is smaller than 6 inches and barely weighs 300 grams, it fits in any glove box without becoming clutter. For under $40 during sales, this is one of the most practical New Year gifts for any motorist, something they'll use the moment winter hits. A perfect New Year upgrade for anyone who lives in navigation and constant rides. This UGREEN MagFlow charger locks your iPhone with a strong magnetic grip, so the phone doesn't slide, bounce, or slowly rotate during turns, even on rough winter roads. It's Key 2 certified and pushes a real 25 watts, which means modern iPhones stay charged during maps, music streaming, and calls, instead of slowly draining like on weak 7.5 watt mounts. The alignment is instant. You bring the phone close, it snaps into the charging spot, and you're ready to go with one hand. No clamps, no fiddling, no distractions. The vent clip is reinforced and doesn't loosen over time, while the 360-degree swivel helps you set the perfect angle for navigation. UGREEN also built in smart protection that regulates heat and voltage, which is important during long winter drives when fast charging tends to warm up the device. It comes with a proper USB-C to USB-C cable, and as long as your power adapter outputs 60 watts or more, you'll get the full performance. For under $30 on sale, it's one of the most practical gifts for any iPhone-using driver. This one is a serious all-in-one rescue tool and a perfect winter gift for any driver. The UTRAI JS9 delivers a massive 4000A peak current, enough to start almost anything on the road, from regular sedans and crossovers to trucks, boats, RVs, ATVs, and even 8.5-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel engines. In cold weather, when weak batteries collapse, that starting power becomes priceless. A full charge gives up to 40 jump starts, and the smart clamps show a green indicator when connected correctly, so there's no confusion during emergencies. The built-in 150 psi compressor adds even more usefulness. It detects real tire pressure, lets you preset the target value, and shuts off automatically when done. Bringing a low tire to 20 psi takes about 3 minutes, which is exactly what you need on roadside stops. A bright LCD screen shows all modes, pressure readings, and battery level, making the device easy to control even in the dark. Plus, the integrated flashlight with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes turns it into dependable emergency gear. Packed in a compact EVA case, the JS9 is both powerful and surprisingly portable, a practical New Year upgrade for any motorist who wants real backup, not just another accessory. A surprisingly practical New Year gift for any driver, because car interiors in winter turn into a mix of sand, salt, crumbs, and frozen dirt. This Xiaomi handheld vacuum is one of the few compact models that actually handle that mess. Its brushless motor pushes up to 13,000 pascals of suction, which is strong enough to pull debris from floor mats, seat stitching, cup holders, and tight storage pockets. Despite that power, the whole device weighs just about 1 pound, so cleaning inside the cabin doesn't feel awkward or tiring. The battery runs for roughly 30 minutes, long enough to clean the car, the trunk, and even do a quick pass through the house without needing a recharge. Xiaomi includes multiple attachments, letting you switch from a narrow crevice nozzle for pedals and rails to a soft brush for dashboards and vents. The compact shape and USB-C charging make it easy to store in the glove box and charge from the car itself. For motorists who appreciate a clean interior but don't want a bulky vacuum rolling around in the trunk, this is one of the most functional and affordable gifts of the season. The top New Year gift for any motorist is a device that can actually save money and nerves, a dash cam that records everything with true clarity. The Vantrue E1 Pro stands out because it delivers real 4K resolution, not upscaled footage, letting you capture license plates, signs, and road details even at highway speed. Its 158-degree lens covers multiple lanes without distortion, which means blind spots shrink dramatically. At night, the camera performs even better thanks to Starvis 2 imaging, giving you clean, low-noise recordings in dark suburbs, tunnels, or poorly lit parking lots. Built-in GPS logs routes and speed, while 5G Wi-Fi makes transferring clips to your phone nearly instant, no cables, no waiting. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, especially during winter driving when you don't want to take your hands off the wheel. Parking mode turns the cam into a 24/7 guard, recording impacts or motion even when the car is off. And with support for up to 1 terabyte Class 10 card, the E1 Pro can store weeks of footage without overwriting key moments. For reliability, evidence, and full road awareness, nothing beats this as a New Year upgrade. These 5 New Year gifts aren't just cool accessories, they're upgrades every driver will actually use the moment winter hits. A fast inflator, a strong MagSafe charger, a powerful jump starter, a compact vacuum, and a 4K dash cam cover the real needs of everyday driving: safety, comfort, and readiness for anything on the road. Pick any of them, and you're giving a gift that makes every trip easier, cleaner, and safer all year long.